Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy SMIDRIN and we back with another video. And today we got something special, you feel me? So make sure y'all stick around. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, hit that bell icon so you can stay notified on what's going on, you feel me? So first off, I gotta apologize, man. I've been MIA from this YouTube shit, you know, handling my business, copping pieces and stuff, but I missed y'all. So, I figured I'd come back, show y'all a couple things that I've been picking up over the past few, months and all of that to keep y'all updated on what's going on with me, you feel me? But let's just jump right into it, all right? So I'm going to start off with, I guess, let's start off with footwear first, okay? Start off with some footwear. Now first, as you can see on the box, we got the Undefeated Air Terra Humeras, you feel me? Size 13. Shout out to the good people over there, Undefeated, for shipping these out to your boy, you dig? Now we got the light magenta, black, and orange, iron gray, excuse me. I said orange. Iron gray colorway, you feel me? My favorite out the pack, honestly. These are not dead stock anymore. I did wear these twice already. But yeah. What can I say about this shoe, man? I switched the laces out. Got to, had to flare it up. I want to say this is like a reflective material here, but I'm not sure. I haven't really taken any pictures with it, but it seems like it's like a little 3M reflective here. You got the little spiky spikes on there for the turf. Got the Undefeated on the back with the swoosh, black swoosh, purple, well, pink, magenta, whatever. Got the purple on the inside, you feel me? Overall, just a good shoe, man, you know what I mean? Everybody's saying this is a sneaker of the year, as far as accessibility is concerned. Everybody has a pair of these, whether you got the black, the gray, the white. But to me, this is my favorite colorway out of the pack. And yeah, there's nothing really much more to say about this shoe, except for go cop. Make sure y'all cop these, you dig? Get yours. Get your pair, you feel me? Why they still for the lowski? Because, people don't know shit. If they ain't got a reverse swoosh, people ain't rocking with it because they ain't thinking for themselves. You understand? All right, so let's go to the second thing. You feel me? Because this is going to be a quick video. I'm in and out. I got a photo shoot to do right after this. Matter of fact, I'm going to bring y'all with me to the photo shoot. But, I guess all my people know what this is, Nike Pink Box, SB Dunk, you feel me? Dash Stock Tings. I'm digging in the crate, you feel me? What year this is? 05, 06, maybe 05, maybe 05. I don't know. But we got a shoe that when I was in high school, I couldn't find dead stock in a size 13, let alone a size 13 in general. So for it to be 2024 and I was able to cop these dead stock is like a full circle moment. You guys have no idea how long I've been waiting for this shoe to come around. And we got the Melvins, the black Melvies. Still factory laced, by the way. Dead stock. Only tried on by me. I know y'all see the Melvin right there. I know y'all see the inscriptions on the shoe. I know y'all see them pointing down at the sole. The Daniel, what are those? These are Melvins, my boy. These are Melvins. You ain't seen these yet, you feel me? We got the, I don't know if y'all can see the year in there, but yeah. This is, what date is this? 6/24/05. So about 19 years ago, in a couple days, this is when this shoe was produced, you feel me? So it's crazy for me to even own this sneaker, to have this in my hands. And yeah, I can't believe it. I honestly cannot believe it. Like, can y'all believe it? The lace bag is still attached, like factory lace. Like, what are we talking about here? Like, I think I'm good on sneakers for a very long time. unless a pair of Tiffany Lows come my way, or Sabotage, or Heineken's, or anything in that nature. You feel me? But I just don't know where to go. Like, copping sneakers wise, like, I can't. What am I supposed to buy after this? Like, this is a grail. This is holy grail for people. You know what I mean? So, hello, come again. I see you soon. You feel me? But I got them. Don't hate me. Hate yourself. Feel me? I love myself. Oh, I got Melvins. Can you believe it? I got fucking Melvins. It's crazy. I know. It's fucking insane. I can't believe it myself. But we got them, boys. We got them. I'll probably do some little close-ups or whatever, so y'all can see the shoe, if y'all don't already know. But I'm pretty sure y'all do. You know, I ain't got to show y'all shit like that. All right. Next. Straight from Kapital. You understand me? We got the Thunderbird sweats. You feel what I'm talking about? Nice. Hold on real quick. That's Keita calling me. But yeah, we got the caps. Kapital Thunderbird sweats, you feel me? Fleeced out. Don't treat them out. Good pockets. Got the red on the side. You feel me? What can I say? You know, it's all good. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it sweet, man. These are my cozy pants. These shits just work, you feel me? Hold on, I gotta get the door for Keita. I'll be right.
The next day.
All right, my bad. We back. All right, we back. I guess I'll just throw this in the video as well, you feel me? I guess this is gonna be another video. This ain't clothing related, but y'all know I like other stuff, so. We have a F91 Gundam prototype attack use mobile suits. From my good friend Gimp. You know what I mean? Appreciate you, Skip. Pimp. You the GOAT for this. This is master grade, as you can see right here, MG. I'm gonna have a lot of fun making this, honestly. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see a video of me making it, even though I'm gonna still do the video anyway. But you know, just for algorithm purposes and all that good shit, I still gotta say it. You feel me? I'm trying to be a professional YouTuber. Gundam, hit me up, man. Bandai, hit me. Send me some perfect grades, please. I need perfect grades. I'm gonna take a trip out to Japan soon. And that's what I'm on a hunt for. Perfect grade Gundams. Whole bunch of pink box and older SBs. And y'all know, Kapital, a whole lot of that cap, no cap. All right, last piece. Oh, I won't forget this. Yes, we got some Oba Omawale, you feel me? Yeah, Dixie. Best fragrance out right now. Put that fucking Baccarat Rogue down. Put it down. Put the Sauvage down. Put all that shit y'all using down. $1 million, whatever. Versace Edos, whatever. Put it down. This is what you need in your life. I'ma just spritz a little, you know what I mean? A little, you know what I mean? You know, just get a little fresh, you know. The best way to describe it is, when you put this on and your girl smell you, she gonna want to take your clothes off. You know? That's the best way I could put it. It's the get the ladies to make you want to undress type of cologne. You feel me? They just want to eat you up when you wear this, because you're gonna be smelling gravy, babe. You're gonna be smelling good. All right, last but not least, we got a package, extremely urgent, from my family. Y'all already know. Y'all know my favorite brand, Kapital, but my family out in Stockholm, my boy Miko, shout out to Miko, and the wife and the kids and the family, everybody, what's up? Make sure y'all go shop with Pancho and Lefty, man. I did a video before about Pancho and Lefty. They got Kapital, they got Visvim, they got Story MFG, they got Larry Smith. What else do you fucking want, my boy? What do you want? They got it all. You know how long this package took to come to me from Stockholm? 2 days, okay? 2 days. When I shop in the US, it take a week, 2 weeks. It's not good, you feel me? So make sure y'all go tap in with Pancho and Lefty. Possibly the best place to get your capital if you ain't getting it from Kapital JP himself, you feel me? But that's no plug, that's just the real truth. Now, I ain't gonna open this yet, you feel me? Cause we got the photo shoot later, but I'ma just show y'all a sneak peek of what we got going on, you feel? Alright. Fuck it. Y'all gonna see it later, but let me just bring it out a little quickly.
Pause.
Kapital bone jersey, red. You feel me? Size 4. Got the bone embroidery on the back. This feels great. Like the quality on this is amazing. It's Kapital, per usual. Pretty heavy. Got the snaps on the front. The embroidery is sick on here. Like, I know y'all see it. Still looking for the black one. I got a pair of center helps for that. You know what I mean? But what else can I say about this, man? Got the patch on the side, all in-house. Wash and dye. Country dry, you feel me? Country dry. That's the back of the jersey. Bam. What else we got? Denim. Now, y'all should know already what these are. Expensive. Got the remakes. Hello. I know y'all see the patches on here. The remake. Get a little close up of that. Feel me? From the last drop, Working Class Hero. I'm definitely ready for the new Boro Warrior drop. That shit should be crazy. Got the flare flare rat tail, rat flare, whatever. You know what I mean. Patches on the bottom, distressing. See the pink stitching right there, a little something. Oh, this is crazy. Got the little bleaching over here. Feel me? Working Class. You know, I work for everything I got. Feel me? None of this shit is handed out. No handouts. Cat. Leather. What else? Back pockets. You can see it. Crunch. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna switch out. I'm gonna put this shit on right quick. And we're gonna do a little quick photo shoot. Be right back. Don't leave off. Alright, so we outside now. You can see what's going on. You feel me? Nah, I'm joking. Fuck with y'all. But yeah, we outside right now. You feel me? About to hit the spot, take a couple pics. Kita. You understand me? Bones. Wow. Stick to it. Don't leave it. Don't leave yet.
Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Smitty's son. They was trying to figure out why all these bitches want me. You can go and ask them niggas why they hating on me. Yeah, mama asking why I always keep it on me. Cause they see my life and now they try to take it from me. And that's probably why I never trust a bitch again. When I see them niggas, we gon' have to get it